morning everyone, welcome to Road Rodent Restore. I'm John and that is Anne on the back, my better half. Still alright? You sure? Yes, first time back on the bike for the wife in a very long time. I think she's been on this once since I rebuilt it, and as you can probably see at the beginning of the video, she was struggling to get on it a bit.
You're not on a flat bit, are you? Can you go down on the flat bit?
Is that easy?
Yeah.
Foot pegs are just too high for her to get up with the arthritis in her ankles. So she went through all the trouble to put her levers on, and so she says, no, I'm not going to give up now, go over to the curb where it's higher up and I'll try it there. And it worked. She is now stuck on the back of my bike and she can't get off. No, we'll see. Hopefully she'll be alright. You alright there? Yep. You okay? Do you want me to sort of pull back so you can get back on? We got no sanitizer, have we? That's it. You alright? Trying to keep my balance there without putting my feet down. I think now it's about 9 AM and at 11 o'clock supposedly it's going to piss it down with rain. So we're just going to get some odds and ends from the shop, what we missed on the big shop yesterday. Hence the wife being on the back, because I don't think she can cope with big trips anymore. Too painful in her ankles. But this is like a sort of a tester to see if she's okay for a day out. Hopefully all goes well, so wish us luck. I pulled a zip down on my jacket a bit, I'm absolutely sweating. "34 degrees yesterday in Nottingham. I don't know what it is today. I don't think I got to sleep till 4 o'clock this morning. Went to bed at 12:30 last night, tossing and turning in the heat until 3-4 o'clock this morning. So I guess I'll be falling to sleep after dinner. Leaving my better half to do the washing up. Alright.
It's all right once you're on it, that's why I enjoy it when I'm on it, and then I'm sitting there. Can you see that I ain't got my gloves?
Red table. That says Conde Noble.
Conde Noble. Is that Conde Noble? That's it. One of them then. Because I do full. Shall I try and get on there?
Hey?
Shall I try and get on there?
You can if you want, or I can go down to that curb down there, or out there near the entrance.
Let me try. If it's on a bit of a slant, I find it, I can't explain it.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
If
'Cause
it's
you,
straight,
yep. Well done. Ooh. It's either too wet and windy so you don't want to go out, or it's too hot and it kills you. Okay, on to the next one. Are you ready?
yeah,
Okay, follow me.
okay.
You alright? Getting on? Yep. Alright. Hold on. Oh. Thanks for stopping. Oh, it's got my side stand up. Quite amazed on how this bike is coping with both of us on it. Because I must admit, we're not the smallest of people. I've got a bit of heavy shopping in the top box as well, and you know, the bike just feels like just me on it, really. Fantastic bike. So if you're looking for a cheap bike on a budget, I would definitely recommend one of these. Like I say, it was like blistering hot yesterday, 34 degrees, we're not used to that. I would have let him go if he wants a BMW. Big man Willie. Yes, it's in the about tea time. The skies opened up, torrential rain, thunder and lightning, very, very frightening. But that's what's supposed to happen today again later. So I asked the wife if she'd like to go for a little run, and she said, okay then. Before the weather starts. I tell you what, the temperature's still getting up. It's still pretty hot. I don't usually have my leather jacket open, but I have got it open. It is bloody hot. While I'm at it, I'd just like to say thank you for the last video, which was the landfill bike lost spark. All the kind thoughts from all the comments, very nice, thank you, much appreciated. Just like to say thank you again to David Copper, or David Copper, who's left me another donation, even bigger this time. So thank you very much, David, much appreciated. And some of it's in this petrol tank, so thank you very much. And also a thank you to Alan Moffat for the very generous donation, much appreciated, Alan, thank you. So there we go, that's about as far as we're going with this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope it's not been too boring. Hope you've, as old man Tony says, if you've reached this far, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell. You okay? Yeah?
Did you see him?
Yeah. Trying to kill us. Range Rover. Range Rover rage. So, like I said before, I was interrupted by the Range Rover rage. Please hit that notification bell, and it will give you a notification if I upload a video again. So, as always, stay well, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.